Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. Vinchin Backup and Recovery supports both physical tape devices with FC connection mode and virtual tape libraries. This video will show you how to scan tape and create tape group in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Go to Resources, Tape, Tape Library. Click Scan to update tape information. Next to it, the View Logs button allows you to check the details of the scanning process. Then back to Tape Library, you will see the refreshed list. To create a storage repository for backup or copy and archive purposes, click the Create button to select tapes from the tape library and combine them logically. Select Tape Library. Select Tape. Specify the purpose of the storage. Set tape group strategy. After a backup job is completed, the associated backup set will be created. You can click the Options button to view the details of the backup data. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.